Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jiffy cornbread moist. Achieving a perfectly moist cornbread is easier than you think with a few simple adjustments. We'll explore how adding a bit more liquid, like milk or buttermilk, can transform the texture. Plus, incorporating an extra egg and using melted butter will elevate both the moisture and the flavor, giving you a delicious result every time. To significantly boost your cornbread's moisture, start by replacing any water in the recipe with about 1/2 cup of whole milk or buttermilk. This simple swap adds richness and tenderness. Next, incorporate an extra large egg into your batter. It acts as a binder and contributes to a softer crumb. Finally, use 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter instead of vegetable oil for a superior taste and texture. Proper baking technique is crucial for moist cornbread. First, mix your batter just until combined. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to a tough texture. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Keep a close eye on it, as overbaking is the quickest way to dry out your cornbread. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Once your moist Jiffy cornbread is ready, serve it warm with a dollop of butter, a drizzle of honey, or your favorite chili. For storing any leftovers, ensure they are placed in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days, or in the refrigerator for longer freshness. This helps maintain its delicious moisture. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the link in the description for Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.